Hlumelo and Liema, welcome home. Making it home is a real relief to your parents, especially to your mother, because mothers wait anxiously when boys have gone to get their rite of passage into manhood. Some never come back, but we're very pleased that your father was there to support you, to hold your hand, and to make sure that you are back home. So we are all delighted. The community is delighted, and that is why there is such a big mgiti today. I'm sorry that I cannot be there. Your father invited me, but we welcome you to manhood. Ukuba indoda is not measured by just the fact that you have gone for your rite of passage into manhood. It is measured by your conduct. It is measured by the way you embrace the right value system. It is measured by how you carry yourself to your family, to society, but it is also more importantly measured by the choices that you make in life. The rite of passage does give you the opportunity to be a man, but it also imposes on you a responsibility that you must now carry into your full manhood. Respect for your community, respect for your parents, your mother, your father, but respect for women. Now that you are becoming a man, those that you must respect even more are your mother, your grandmothers, your sisters, and the women that you are going to encounter in life, that you will interact with at school, at university, at work, and broadly in the community. They are to be respected and they are to be honored so that we continue breaking the cycle of the abuse of women in our society. So therefore, today, as you become a man and get into full manhood, it means that you must become the best version of yourself. But I'd also like you to become a better version of your father. Your father is a leader, is a comrade of mine, is a man of great integrity and honor. But be better than him, because we are born to be better than our parents, our forebears. When we look at you, we must see a better version of your father. So I congratulate you for having gotten this far in your life. Carry yourself with honor and with dignity. Andizobakho apho uzokya inyama, kodwa niziphathe kakuhle bafana. Enkosi.